How can supply chain finance increase resilience? What role does technology play as an enabler? How can firms leverage supply chain finance to improve sustainability performance? Our next Supply Chain Finance Hub will provide answers from many perspectives. With our Supply Chain Finance Hub, we created a format to connect all relevant stakeholders and share the latest insight. We connect academia with industry. We connect experts with those who seek expert opinions. We connect managers from small firms with managers from large firms. We connect managers from family-owned businesses with managers in public firms. We connect you with us. We look forward to a great networking event on October 25th with interesting panelists. On October 26th and 27th, we have 2 dedicated workshops with direct interaction. Stay tuned for updates and please save the dates.